Hi guys!
And today is my winter concert.
Yeah. Mag-hairstyle kami guys kay may winter concert ang aming bunso. Ayan. Red ang kanilang kulay ng dress. Ayan, naka-all red sila mamaya.
It's
Okay.
their first winter concert.
Yeah, it's a first winter concert. Ayan guys. Pakita muna natin. Ayan o, nakatali sa likod. Kaya i-braid ko lang both side, here and here. Tapos tatali natin under ng hair. Ayan. Ito yung hindi ko kabisado ang mag-braid guys. Try natin. Ay, what color? Ay, any color kasi under pala ilalagay. Dito that anak. Under lang pala ilalagay. Ayan, i-braid lang natin. Lahat naman siguro marunong mag-braid guys. Ano? Up. Okay, sit down properly. Open it. Ay, any color na lang kasi hindi naman makikita.
I want red.
No, there's no red. I
There
think
is. It's in the big one.
Oh, okay. Later na. Braid natin to.
Oh, yes.
Ayan.
Nice music.
Good braid this. Are you excited?
Yeah,
Huh?
my concert is going to be really good.
Really? Galingan mo, okay?
Yeah, Mom, I'm good. The
Good.
teacher is going to be like this. And she's going to like show us the
Okay,
the
don't
thing.
Ayan, mag-braid tayo. Ayan, guys. Hindi ko na mapakita ang paano i-braid guys. Kaya walang tagahawak. Ayan, no, almost done.
Look at all these bubbles in the way. Mama, look
What?
at Madame Goze.
What?
Look at Madame Goze. She's doing this. She's like doing her knees like that, and she's showing us the action.
Oh, okay.
And if you see her doing that, you will say, "Oh, that's Madame Goze," but only say that in your mind.
Okay.
Don't very loud because you have to say, "Don't talk in there," because they said, "Be nice to your classrooms and always be quiet."
Ayan guys, o diba, simpleng braid lang. O diba? Simple lang ang hairstyle ni Bunso.
Cassie, you excited? Yeah. Don't be shy, okay? I'm not even shy.
Good, that's good, okay?
I'll let you play this after. Look how scared it is. Wow. If I do well and I'm not shy, everybody's not shy and I'm not shy. Yeah, but
Of course you're not.
have to be happy. Like this? Yeah. What about this? Mom goes inside the end, you'll smile and bow. Mama, you have to clap, okay?
Of course, I'm going to clap.
Video. Why do you always video? Are you going to video?
Of course, so I can record your first concert. You can watch again and again. And that's a remembrance.
Switch it.
Ayan. Then, okay. In the back. Ayan. Tapos itatay natin under, guys, dito. Parang headband lang. Ayan. Tatay natin dito. Kaya ako tinali yan para hindi ako mahirapan. Colored.
Mama, where are we going to go when I'm done my concert?
Huh?
Where are we going to go when I'm done my concert?
Going home. One more. Para siguradong hindi siya matatanggal.
Cassie, look, I made a snowball. After
Ayan, tapos guys, magtutok siya para may design. O, di ba? May design yung kanyang. Ayan. Ayan, harap ka dun. Ayan, ang simpleng hairstyle ni Bunso. Ba yan? Buhol-buhol na. Okay, picture na tayo para ready ka na mamaya. Kasi magsusombrero na naman siya mamaya eh.
Cassie's first winter concert.
What was when you were in kindergarten? What was your winter concert?
Ito daw ang kanyang tuk. O, hindi rin makikita.
What's Bon Jovi bad?
Okay. Ganyan. Matatakpan din, guys. Ayan.
I'm Santa Claus. Ho, ho,
Okay,
ho.
can you stand? Can you stand? Ayan, di ba guys? O, tapos sa likod, para may lugay. Okay, harap na. Ayan, ang kanyang, and asan yung yung
Mitten.
mittens.
That's how I say it in French. Mitten.
Tapos mitten na red daw. Ayan. Oh,
Let's see how it is.
baliktad yata. You need to put
No.
this one in thumb. Ay, the other side here.
One.
There. Oh, malaglag ka.
Mitten.
Ayan, ito na. Ayan, ayan ang costume ni Bunso, guys. Ayan, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys! Thank you for watching.
Have a good day.
Bye.